Assalamualaikum everyone. Today I'm going to talk about some of the funny stories of the Dairy of Social Butterfly, which I mentioned last time. The protagonist Butterfly belongs to the wealthy upper class, but she's essentially a silly, shallow character. Her number one priority is to seem more impressive than others, and her friends they're just as silly as parrots. At parties, they tell pointless lies, and since everyone else is doing the same, it naturally turns into the context of lies. But this ridiculousness is what makes it so entertaining. For instance, there's a scene at a party where Butterfly sings to her story about one of the friends. I've slightly adapted the details to make it easy to explain. Oh my, so rarely wore the dress does she do? It's a copy of last year's fashion dress, fashion show design. Still, it looks good on her. And they annoys me. Oh, I hope she gains more weight. Following this inner monologue, a conversation ensures where Butterfly smiles, are worried but slightly throw shade. Here's an example with a bit creative interaction. Butterfly that dress is too unique. It's so unique. Where did you get it? Oh, I had it brought in the Paris. Oh, Paris was that impressive. I think I was seeing a similar design somewhere in Lahore. This kind of the bar of weights and sarcasm absolutely cracks me up. Next time, I'll try to elaborate on this example a bit more. See them, Korea, or Pyongyang.